There's another mechanism to filter out prefixes in terms of area filtering, which comes in handy when we have this kind of stipulations as presented in task 1. Configure router so that OSPF area 2 does not receive external and inter-area prefixes. Routers in OSPF area 2 must be able to reach all subnets. Do not use any filtering command to accomplish this task. So basically, in this kind of situation, what comes in handy is the OSPF totally stub area filtering, which is Cisco proprietary method of filtering prefixes. It cannot be used on any other vendor because Cisco created that on their routers. Now, ABR, area border router, is going to filter out all LSAs 3, 4, and 5. So 3 being inter-area will be filtered out as well. ABR instead is going to inject a summary LSA, a default route, to provide reachability to external prefixes and inter-area prefixes. All routers within the stub area must be configured as stub, but now the device that is the ABR in my picture must be configured with stub no summary command. That makes this area totally stubby area. It makes perfect sense because it is the ABR that is injecting LSA summary 3, 4 as well, 3, 4, and 5 as well into the area. So in my topology, I'm going to use area number 2 right here, and as of this moment, if I jump, let's say, to R6 to check what's going on with that router here, the routing table here real quick, show IP routes OSPF begin gateway. So I see that inter-area prefixes are introduced, a lot of them here, as well as the external type 2. To reduce the size of this routing table, as per my stipulation task, all I have to do is basically create a stub area flag on these routers here. Area 2 stub, the same on R4. Area 2 stub, and the last but not least, actually the most important thing, is on my ABR, area type to stub no dash summer is my keyword. This makes the area 2 totally stubby area. R2, just as per my topology, is my ABR. Now, as soon as it is done, if I just click quickly, reset the terminal here, do show IP route OSPF, basically begin with the gateway. What I'm going to see in my routing table on all routers within the area 2 is reduced size of routing table. Instead, the reachability to all external and inter-area subnets is accomplished via this default route. Do ping 192.168, let's say 1.1, I can ping those networks. That wraps up the conversation on OSPF totally stubby area.